and I'm full on the ground. It's a long shot, but darling, couldn't love anymore. Come on, come on. Hey baby, give it a try. I can find an answer if you want.